Do you know what the inside layout of this beautiful container house? In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. There is a 40 feet 2 shipping containers. The total area I have taken is the length is 40 feet in meter 12.19 meter and the width is 16 feet in meter 4.87 meter. In the front we have outdoor sitting area here, and after that we'll go inside. So we have living plus kitchen come dining area. You can see here the sofa arrangement, tea table arrangement, TV unit on the front wall, and we have chair arrangement, dining counter with 3 chairs, and also kitchen cabinet with burners, sink and refrigerator arrangement. And we have 2 large size window for ventilation and light purpose, and on the front wall we have a glass panel for light purpose also. If we go on the left side, so we have common use washroom plus water closet. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. On the left side we have bedroom number 1 here. You can see here the bed arrangement, TV unit on the front wall and wardrobe arrangement. Also we have a large size window for ventilation and light purpose and a sliding door for rear entrance of this room. And on the right side we have bedroom number 2 here. You can see here the bed arrangement, TV unit on the front wall, wardrobe arrangement, large size window for ventilation and light purpose. Also we have attached washroom plus water closet with this room. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.